Good morning, guys. Welcome to another Crow's Nest trading. Here we go. Right, we're on, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great weekend. We're back trading gold, NAS 100, and Euro USD. So we're on. Let's see how we get on. We'll go straight into a top-down analysis on gold and NAS. See what we can catch today. We are near to the end of the month. We've got Thursday is the last day of the month. Okay, so we've got to be careful building up to the close of the monthly candle. Right. Let me just get my tunage on. Right, we're on. Okay, so make sure you got a brew, which is a cup of tea or a coffee, and let's get amongst it. So, gold. Let's see what's happening. So remember, we've got about 4 days left of the monthly candle. And look at the monthly candle. So how are we going to close on the monthly? What could we see this monthly doing? Well, currently, this monthly can do anything. If we do close bullish, though, I will be looking at a bullish close with the next candle, which should be a decent size. But currently, the monthly doesn't give us much information. But we're sitting around 4716 at the moment. So we're going to have to come down the time frames. And then let's mark up some zones. So our zones on the weekly time frame. Got a zone around here, and the next zone for me is this level. Okay, these are my weekly zones. Now, if you can remember me last week on Friday, I was saying that this is the direction of travel up to 5019. Okay, but I'm not sure we can get it without coming to retest this level, at least this level here, at least this level. So I'm just not sure we can push up to that without retesting this level. Now the weekly closed bearish, but the weekly closed bearish. We haven't had a top wick yet. It's Monday. What could we see happening? Why did we close bearish? We didn't break a low, so that tells me probably we couldn't push any further because we need to break a low. So where's the low? Well, the next low is this weekly candle here, below 4652, and we haven't tapped it yet. We've opened up and we've pushed bullish. Good morning, Andre. How are you doing?
Good, you hear me?
Yeah, good man, good man. We are on. So I'm just in the middle of a top down.
Yep,
I've only done the monthly one, so we're on to the weekly. So basically, with the weekly, our range is between here and here. Okay, but what we were seeing is we were struggling to get up there, and I said we probably can't get up there without a retest of this level. Now retest this level, and then yes, I'll be a bit more confident to push through them ranges. So that tells me that this weekly can do anything at the moment. It can flip bearish and push down, or I'm not sure we're going to drive up. I might be wrong, but I would imagine with that weekly bearish close now, and we didn't break a low. Why did we close bearish? Probably because we need some liquidity. The next liquidity, that's your next low to take. So I would imagine if you want to push through to this level, you're going to have to come and take that low beforehand. Okay, so that's what I've got on the weekly. Then on the daily, what's going on the daily? So we've got our weekly range. We know where we could potentially be heading. Then our daily range, we've got a level here. And then We close bullish there. What is this? So I would probably say that is our range. And the reason being, we had a rejection here. There was a gap here, but the previous weekly daily closed bearish, respecting, and then there was a gap. And then you've got a random wick to the area, and then you've got a candle close, respecting that level. So that's probably my best level on the week on the daily. We've closed bullish, we've had a bottom wick, and are we coming back up now? So where was the low? What I mentioned, well, the low I believe was this level here. So I believe we're going to have to come and break that, or I would like to break that in order to take the buys up. But at the moment, what can this daily do? Well, this daily, we are bullish on the daily, but we didn't close back above this minor support. So for me, if you think about it, if what gold does a lot, it'll create a little structure, then it'll break out, and then the next candle will fake out back in. That'll then close back in, and that's what catches it out a lot. But we didn't, we closed respecting. So why did we close respecting, not close back in? Probably tells me that this is just a nest play. And yes, we might get something like this where we break the high, but I can actually see this candle flipping to come back down. And that would make sense to me. So the daily's done a top wick now. It's also had a bottom wick. It'd be better if we didn't have this bottom wick. It would be also better if we broke a high, because we know we would have had liquidity. And once we broke the high. So if price can come up or break that level, then I'd be looking for closures back below these levels in order for sells to come down, for the daily to flip. That's what I'd be interested in more. So let's go down the time frames. Yeah, because we need an indication of how is the 4 going to close. So I would probably say that's our forward level there. We've got candles. We've got candles. This one's not the best. You could probably pull that down a tad. Maybe something like that. That's probably what I would do. So what I'll be after now is a bearish forward close. If this 4 closes bearish, I'm going to be in for sells either way. It doesn't need to close anywhere. It doesn't even need to close below this, I wouldn't think. If the daily was going to fake out back above, then you would drive on this forward. I would imagine you would drive up on the forward. But if we get a bearish close, I think we could probably just see something like this, where you get a small bearish close, and then you push through to break the lows. So I can see the new 4 just opening up and driving straight through. I would prefer break the highs, but we don't actually need it. What else have we got? But that's if the 4 closes bearish. Can this 4 drive down? Potentially. We had a 3. Ooh. The issue we've got is this 3 level. You've got 2 3s with no bottom wicks there, so that's nice. But we are at a support level on the 3, which we haven't broke below. 3, 2. Closed bearish. We haven't tapped this level yet. Actually have sellers here. 1 closed bullish. 30, 15, 5. So the 30 could flip. The 2 could flip. The 1 is a tricky one. The 1's closed bullish, but we didn't tap this level, and you all seem to tap this level before driving up, and we haven't done it. Oh, what's this one here? Let's have a look at this. See this one. So we've actually closed below that. Then the 30 is bearish also. I might have a sell stop on the 30 here. This 30 flips. Or 15 minutes left of the 30. This is 15 minutes ago. Could we see a tap to these levels for rejection? Yeah, I think I'd be interested in that. If this 30 can pull back to this level, I think I'll take a wing back sell. Okay, that would be the 4 is the only kicker because you've printed bullish on the 4, you've got no top wick. So if the 4 wants to flip, that means it could flip and drive. You're coming to break the high, so you're going to hit stops at that point. There's 2 hours left. The 3 has got no bottom wick, same as the previous one. So technically that could flip. You could also come straight through on the 3. Maybe the wing back is not on. It's a lovely wing back area though, but you can easily pop straight through. What a shame. Nice area there. We haven't filled this range yet. I'm very surprised we haven't filled this range. Everything comes and fills this range. Everything. So what happens when have we got any areas where you reject? So here we are. So what happens here? So we reject, we come back up. This one rejected, came up. Rejected back to there. 30. I do like these wing back areas though. What if we moved our stops like that? That gives us a better chance. Okay, so new 15's opened up, right? Now, potential wing backs, but I need to see how this 15 goes, or if we can get a 15 close back below here, I'll probably take that for the sellers down. Okay, I can get a 15 close back below here, top wick, flip to come down. That would be the 30 flipping. I am close to getting a sell stop underneath this 30. What if we done that? Or did we wait for 15 close below? Our advantage point is here. It's this level. So this would be our goal risk free. But I think I'd rather take a 15. We're going to the third, but then what would that be? That would be the 30 flipping bullish. So that means we'd have to gamble on this 5. Ooh, okay. So we might have a swoop entry on this 5 here. If this 5 closes like this and I get a top wick, I'm going to have a sell stop underneath the 5. My stops are going to be just the high. So it'll be tight stops. And that'll be basically going off, if this 30 is going to flip and push down to fill the range, then it's likely going to do it on this 15 minute, because this is the last 15 minute. Therefore, this 15 minute, you should see that, or something like that, maybe similar to this. So I think I'm going to take the 5 if the 5 closes. What would that be? The whole idea is that the 3, the 4, the 2, the 1 is not tapped this level yet. That's it. That's all it is, really. I would prefer to wait for a 15, but that's then the 30 closing. And if the 30 closes bullish, I mean, this 30 closed bullish, but you did come and tap 4729, 21. Interesting. If this 30 is going to flip now. Don't go without me. 1 minute left. This might open and just pop straight down because the last 15. Because you might not get much of a bottom wick. Sorry, top wick. Or do we wait for the 15? The 15's close respectant. It's a level here. This 15 go, can this 15 flip? Big rejection area this, though. This is why I want to put it on, but if the 4's going to flip and drive up, it's just going to smash it out. Are you going to pop up here for me? Here we go, it's a 15 flip now. It's not closed yet. So the 30 can close bullish, right? Because we've seen it here. The 30 can close bullish, and then the next 30 can drive down. But the difference is this 30 came and tapped this level. We haven't tapped that level. So is this 30 going to tap that level? If it does, we then ideally need the 30 to pull back and close respecting this. Then we could see a drop with the new 30. But there's 8 minutes left for this to pop up. Can it pop up? The 5 closed now, but it is respecting this level still. 3's closed bullish. I don't like that. So I'm not in on this 5, right? Are we gonna flip and drive up? 7 minutes left of it. Yeah, because the 4. Could we see the 4 flip? And that's the question. So we think the 4's close, respecting a level. But the issue we've got on the 4, none of them have broke a high. So this didn't break a high. This didn't break a high. This didn't. This didn't. So there's loads of liquidity up here. So if this 4 is going to flip, could potentially drive up. Could we take the buys up? In order for me to take the buys up, what would I need to see? We've had the 1 hour close. Potentially could have took that 15, but look at these 15s where they just drop through the floor. Really didn't want to take the 15. It's a lovely wing back area. Look at that. Beautiful. Up, tap, reject. I think if the 5 can, if we can get one pop up with 1 5-minute candle, I think I would take a punt. Here's the 5 close now. There's still 5 minutes left of the 15. So, I'll be back in a minute. Keep an eye on that. That's it. Oh, right, I'm back. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay, 15 closed bearish. 15 closed bearish. Can I get a top wick? Okay. So this wing back now would be on for me. But it's unlikely. Well, 15. See if we can break the highs one more time. There he was bullish. He was bullish. He was bullish. Then it can easily drive through that area now. The top wick. Did we break the high again? We did. See if this 15 is going to come up and tap this level. 3 was bearish. One's coming back up. One's closed bullish. Go on, get up there. So I'm on for this wing back, right? The 15 closed bearish. So it's a case of, can we get pop, pull back, either close bullish but still respecting, or a flip from there. We've had it in the past. 15. So the third 15 bullish, next 15 opens up, taps, flips bearish, we head down. So I'm interested for this wing back sell. 30 is bullish, but I don't trust the 30-minute range. Because if the one is going to flip, why would the one flip? Bullish up, top wick, flip, back down. Yeah, they all seem to come and tap this, and we haven't done it. So why have we not done it? I mean, this one actually breaks the high again. So for me, this is what I would want to see. If we zoom out a bit, clean it up. There's an hour range here, right? We've got body of the candles rejecting, body of the candles rejecting here. Another rejection here. So I'm happy to take this wing back, but the hour has to close respecting or below 4719. If the hour closes above, I'll look to manage risk and just get out. Okay? Because you can get an hour close, bottom wick, and then drive through. So that's what I'd be after. You see that the hour range is slightly higher up on this level. That's what I would have as a second entry, I think. Now, if this 15 closes bullish, we potentially could take the buys up to that level. Yeah, could do. 9, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. What's this here? 5 close bullish. So that's 5 does here. Tell you what, if we get a steep bottom wick here, I'd have a buy stop above this 5 as this 5 flips. Be fair, if you can come and tap this level, come and tap this level. If we tap this level, I'll have a buy stop above. Okay, we're gonna have a buy stop above the 5. Okay, swoop entry. Buy stop, swoop entry, stops would just be the low. If this 5 does flip now, there's still 4 minutes left of it. It's highly probable that you're going to have to come and break the highs. I will go risk freeze if we break this high. Yeah. So I have got a buy stop. 4713, 4713. Can't put too much on this. I've got a $70 risk on it. That's what I've got. If the 5 closes bearish, we just delete. Okay, because the next 5 could easily come up, tap, activate you, and then take it down. I'm basically putting the bet on that this 15 is going to flip back to the upside because we need to come and tap this level. If I'm wrong and this 15 needs to drive down, then I would imagine this 5 is going to stay bearish. Okay, it's going to stay bearish, and that would be the indication that we're going to be driving down, like now. In order for me to take the sellers down, if we're correct, then I need a 15 close back below here, but I would much prefer to come and tap this level before the sells. But an indication for us is if the 1, not the 1, sorry, where was that at? Yeah, either the 15 close back below this level or the 30. Has that 5 closed yet? 3 minutes left of the 5. What are you doing? Yeah, looks like it's going down this, guys. I don't think this 5's coming back up. There's 7 minutes left for the 15. Say this is like our 15-minute zone. This here. So if you had a 15 close back below there, top wick. Here's a 5. One minute left for this 5 to flip. Is it going to flip? There's 1 5-minute left of the 15, so I would imagine if this 15 is going to flip bullish, this 5 would at least close respecting this level. It's our 5-minute level here. Oh. 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 Plot twist. Plot twist. Big rejection. Can we get activated? 20 seconds to get activated. I'm not in. 9 seconds. Let me have a look at this 3 though. Oh, I might keep this on, guys. What would this be? 15, 5, 15. 5's closed bearish, but not very convincing. Okay, let's see if we can get a 15-minute. Okay, I'm going to move my... I'm keeping this on, guys. I'm keeping this on. It's a nice rejection there. I'm going to bring my entry level to above the 5 now. Stops are just the same. I've hardly got any. I've got $57. It's the max I can risk on this account. $57 at the moment. Let's see if I know this. Let's see if this 5's going to flip. Indeed. 15 hasn't closed as of yet. So if this 15 is going to flip, then this 5 would have to be. And if you, I always harp on about this, you create a little structure, then you've had a breakout, and what you tend to get is a fake out with the next candle. Okay, I have been activated. I've been activated on both. Okay, so I have got a bit more. I've got $100 risk on it. Let's see how we get on. We are in for the buys. All on this 15. Can this 15 flip? I'm low risk. So here's the thing, right? This is what's tricky, because I am looking at selling from 5721, but it all depends on how the candles print beforehand. So I really want the 15s and things like that to close respecting, but I will take the sell as well. If we close above, then I'll keep this trade on to push up. But remember, this is a riskier trade. This is a riskier trade. All on this 5 here. Came up, activate, didn't even come and take the no top pick. 3 minutes left of it. That was a sweltering cup of tea. Come on, the 3. Here we go. Here we go. My entry's a bit lower down here, guys. My entry's like that. No, it's not. That's my fucking entry here. Like that on my entry. It's literally this 15. 2 minutes left. Let's see where this 15 closes. We ideally don't want to close them back below this level. Okay, this would be our sign to get out if we close below there. If we can get a bullish close, even better. If we get a bullish close, then you would imagine probably 50% wick fill and then a flip back up. That would be the 30. That means we've got another 15 minutes left of the 30 to push up. I don't like the 30 though, because the 30 has sort of broke above this level, but you do tend to then get fake outs in this sort of position. So we've got a bit of contradiction on the 15 and the 30. 1 minute left for the 15. It came and took that 5 minute no top wick now. See? 5 minute no top wick. Ooh, interesting. Interesting. How are you going to land? 1 minute left of this 5. What are you going to do here? We need a bullish close basically. I need to see ideally this. I need about that. Close on the 5. Because then that would confirm that you've got your little structure. You broke out to the downside. You've now got a fake out. Great sign to come and break the highs. But if we close doji here, we're technically nest play. We're still below this level. Therefore, we're due to come down. So we really need the 5 to flip bullish. At that moment, it's messing about. Oh, that 5. Not ideal. Right, what's 15 done? 15's closed. Probably gonna look to get out of this, guys. Right, guys, I'm gonna be out of this. I think we were $25. I'm out. We'll try that again shortly. Let's see what the next 5 does. It's gone. That's gone. That's my sign to get out. 15 didn't close back. I mean, it closed back below this level. But straight away now we're thinking, okay, well, I want a top wick now for the 15 to flip to the downside. But the 1's still bullish. Interesting. But if the 30 is going to... Did this close back in? That's the question. I think I'd rather wait for the 30. If this 30 closed back below, I'd be interested in the sellers down. Or if the 15 closes back bullish, I'll be re-entering for the buys up. But at the moment, I'm still keen for these wing-back sells at 4721. There's 5 coming up now. Yeah, that's what I'll do. If the 5 closes back above like this, I will look to re-enter. So stand by. Stand by. As long as this 5 doesn't drive like that was. This could just be a fake out. Fifteen's a tricky one because that's the level for this area, but then you've got the other 15-minute levels here, which fits a lot better, and that one's broke below then. See what this next, but if we get a close like this, guys, I'm gonna be getting in again, I think. Even though the 15 can flip to the downside. 12 minutes left to the 30. You could technically get a sell stop underneath the 15. The 30 is going to drive down. The 30 can literally power all the way down. I'm just not sure what it's going to do with the 11 minutes left of it. Oh, 30. We get the sell stops on underneath the 15. Do we wait for the 30? I think I'd rather wait for the 30, but I know the 30 can drive straight through. That makes it tricky. But we haven't tapped our level. And this one only taps here, I suppose. Oh, we're coming down. This one was coming up. Oh, this is going to pop this now, isn't it? Look at this 5. 1 minute left of it. 15's flipped. I was debating whether to take that 15. We're going to have to wait for the 30. It's just this 30 can give us a pop. It's not... there's no conviction with it though, is there? It's just like really messing about this level. I mean, look at the 5.
Yeah, man. I think I'll wait, give it 10 minutes and I'll probably log off the session.
It's awful. We might get this all day.
Mm-hmm.
It is Monday as well, I suppose. I think it was a good shout getting out of that.
Yeah.
It's going to be the 30. But what's put me off is, if the 30 closes bearish, we've had a fake out. So it's a good sign to come down. But what we bouncing off? What we bouncing off? We're only bouncing off. There's only this area, but we broke above it. So there's this. All the rest come up. So I'm just not convinced that this is the move down from here. I feel like we need to tap this first. So if we broke out and then came back into these, I'd be all over it. All over it. But I am trying to see if we can catch the buys up. But this is like prime example of a lovely fake out. And this 30, these 30s can actually pop all the way down to these levels. But there's 8 minutes left of it. So is the 30 going to do that in 8 minutes? I don't know, Andre. I don't know.
You don't know, mate.
I don't know. It's a bit all over, isn't it? It's just been absolute typical of April and May. Sorry, March and April. Been awful. Absolutely awful. I just feel like I need to get this month out of the way. Do you know what I mean?
Pretty good one. Yeah.
Right, while we're waiting for that, let me have a quick glance of NAS.
And that's not doing much for me either.
Yeah, look at that. That's awful.
Yeah.
Oh my god. No top weight, no bottom weight. Daily. And a lovely close on all the time frames, but there's no ranges. Got a range there, we've got a range there. We have broke in, but this is your first breakout into the downside. Your first one. So that's bloody 30. That's your hourly range there. So you need an hourly range. Hourly close. Yeah, that's not very nice either. The hour flipping now. You're a cheeky bastard. You're a cheeky bastard. Oh. Driving down. Don't go without me, 30. Come on. It's going without me. This 30 can, if this 30 fills the range, there's probably nothing more we can do, really. We took my area away. That 15 was the one. That 15 was the one. Ready. The 5 close now, lovely 5 close. I don't think I can take that. I think I'm gonna have to wait for the 30. But why are we not driving through? But yeah, what are you doing? I think we've got to tap this here. Why have we done this? This is after we tap this level. So the only way you drive straight through to stops is after you've tapped 4705. We haven't tapped 4705. So I'm not sure we can come through to stops without tapping 4705. So therefore, if we do pop up, I would take these wing back sells. But if we come down, tap, and then we pop up, these will be no go. I'm just not convinced. I think we need to pop up here. But what are we going to look like if we pop up? And could we catch the buys? That's the question. I mean, look at this rejection here. Look at this 5 close here. What are we bouncing off on this 5? Okay, so if we get a 5 bullish close here, okay. I might have a re-entry here, guys, off this 5. This would be 15 staying bearish though. 30 would be closing bearish, but not. Yeah, we ideally need this 30 to close above, but that means the 5 would have to be a big powerhouse 5. And look at this big powerhouse 5. But the 30 would be bearish, which wouldn't be ideal. But that means the 1 is staying bullish. So what is the next 1 going to do? How steep of a bottom wick are you going to get with this new 1? Never really closed like this around this level. See what this 1 does. So 1's closing bullish. Okay, 30 is closed bearish. No bottom wick. 15. See if this 15 break the lows. The 5. I'm gonna have a buy stop above this 5 again. 100 stop, which would be the 15 flipping back up. 30 close bearish, technically fake up. I'm actually going against that. This is the one bottom wick. We should get at least a 50% wick fill, but I can see it's popping straight up. 4721. So I've actually got a buy stop above, guys. Stops would just be 4710, 4710. So my stops are just the low. That's it. Which have been activated. I'm in the buys. Let's see what we can do. Come on, baby. Get up there. Get up there. And these wingback sells, I'm still interested in these wingback sells. Where would be my go risk free? This might not happen straight away. You might actually get a 15 bullish close and then start building up. I'm just not very convinced that with the 5. This is the thing. Like, we might need to tap this before coming up. Do we need to break the lows again? If we break these lows, probably gonna get stopped. How steep's this bottom wick? Need to be on the 1. Do we need to tap this level, which we might do? Or do we need to come up first before coming down? It's not the perfect trading conditions, guys. Trust me. It's difficult. So don't risk what you're not willing to lose. Do not risk what you're not willing to lose, because it's difficult today. Same as all the last 2 months have been difficult. You haven't loads of contradictions, which you don't like. You want them all aligned, ideally.
Alright, mate. I think I'm going to log off for today.
Yeah, no worries, Andre. I'll catch you later.
See you some other time.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate.
See you later, bud. Bye. Come on, let's get a flippage. Oh, this 5, really? Can this 5 flip for us? If it doesn't, we then need a 5. What? Could that? Could be the one bottom wick. Give us a fake out. 5. I do like the sells here. This 5, technically, the next 5 should give us a nice fake out. Something like this. Should get something like that next. What was that? Okay, there's the 5 close. It's not a bad close. I'd rather break the low though. Let's see if this 15 is going to flip. Get up there. No bottom wick on this 5. God. See, I would have preferred if this 5 could have broke this low. Because that what's happening then is you might think, oh shit, we broke the low. But you do it because price then catches people out. So you sort of want it to show you that it's trying to catch people out. I mean, this, I don't like how that 5's closed. 15, what's a 15 doing? Come on, come on. As long as we don't break this low. If we break the low, we're done. Don't do it. Don't do it. 3. Maybe bullish on the 3, mind. Can this 3 flip is the question. Nice flip on that 3 would be lovely. Oh, look at this 1. I don't want to close like that. Might get stopped here, guys. Bullish. We need to start printing bullish on the 1s. If this doesn't play out, I think what I'll do, I'll end up just setting a sell limit of 4721. And then letting it rock for today. News wise, what have we got? But no news today, which is nice. No news. We just need basically bullish 5 closes, and that's initiate the push. If we get a bullish 5 close now, the probability is a lot higher to push up. Okay, so we need 2 minutes for a 5 close. That's what we're after. Which is come on. Get up there. This will be a lovely 5 close if this can close. Like this. Ah, 5 close bearish. What are you doing, gold? What are you doing to me? It's like no conviction though. Come on, the 5. Had a little breakout now. Little breakout. So we are below this level now. Could this be to entice loads of sellers in order for us to pop back up? Or is this just the move down and we're just heading down? Potentially. Off we broke the laws again. Can this 3 flip? I'm struggling on this level on the 3. Give me. Oh, that's a nice push. A nice push. Here we go. Come on. There's a 1. Lovely close. That's a lovely rejection. 5's flipped. Can we drive up and start breaking some highs? Two minutes left. 3 minutes left even. It's a lovely rejection that on the 3. Got no bottom wick though. We need, I would like a bottom wick to here and then a flip back up. That'd be lovely. Brand new 3-minute candle. Because you've got this level where you're sort of struggling to break back above on the lower time frames. So if we can get a 3 close above that for the push, that would be really nice. Still 2 minutes left to the 5. We just need a bullish 5 close, basically. I mean, I thought that one would have been it. But if we get another bullish 5 close back above this level, then that's a good sign. We're probably coming up to at least this level. Then we need closures above there, because that's your next range between that and that, or to there. Come on. Had plenty of times to get out, mind. We're not breaking for a lot. I just want to see what this 5 does. It's also the 15. This 15 is going to be interesting. It's 15. What are you doing, 5? I think it does know what it wants to do. Not much going on though, guys. Not much volume as such. It's awful, guys. 15's close. Probably going to get stopped out here. What do you imagine with the next 15? Unless it's going to be a plot twist. This is going to be a plot twist. So you could look at getting out now around break even if you don't like it. I'm holding, guys. I'm happy with the risk. We just can't see he's driving down without coming to tap this level. Might be completely wrong. What's this again? Got a bit of a 5 level now. Ideally want to close back above there. We've got a nice close back above there. Oh, here we go. Here we go. It's nice this, but you could just be breaking the high to reject a flip. So we need closures. That's what we need. We need a closure back above 4712. Yeah. But a nice 15 bullish close. You think if we get a 15 bullish close now, even if the new 15 comes down and creates a bottom wick for this, it shouldn't be breaking the low. Bottom wick and then a flip to come up. But this 15 currently could flip to the downside at any point. There's 12 minutes of it. So you're round break even. So if you don't like it, get out now. What you could do is get out now, and if the 5 closes above, look to re-enter. That's what you could do. It'd be beautiful if we can close like this. Just a case of then, can we get past these for the next few candles? I did try and put another entry on in around these levels, but it wouldn't let me on this account. I couldn't actually do it. Come on, keep this 5 like this. 2 minutes left. Don't flip. Really good candle if this can stay like this. 3 minutes left of it. Don't you dare, 3. Don't you dare. Flip back up. See, there's a nice 3 level here, which we broke above. But if this 3 closes below, we need this 3 to stay respecting this. That would be the 5 staying bullish, breaking back above. 1 minute left. So yeah, we need this 3 to stay respecting this level. No 2 candles with no bottom wick either. But if the 5 stays bullish above, the next 5 can come down, create the bottom wick, and then a flip. It's not one. Come on, get back above there. We had plenty of chances to get out, guys. Plenty of chances to get out. Let's flip bearish. Another month on gold. It's been. I've hardly traded this month, guys, because of the markets. It just hasn't been right. It's been doing like an extra 2 moves before it actually does the move. That makes sense. Just it's trying to catch you out another 2 times before it does the move. Oh, we had a bearish 5 there, guys. Probably going to get stopped here now. Still 9 minutes left. There's 15. There's plenty of time to drive through. That rejection is probably confirmed. We're probably going to come off to break these lows. There might be a plot twist. No bottom wick on this 5, mind. Wish I could put another entry on. So in order for me to take sells to the downside, I'd probably need a 1 hour bearish close, and then I would need a top wick. So either way, I would need a top wick. I tell you what I might do. I might have another entry on here. I won't let me, will it? Above the 1. If the 1 flips now, that's probably the move to come and break the highs. 1, 2's flipped. The 3 has got 38 minutes left and we haven't tapped this level. So you could have the sells underneath. A lovely daily grab as well. And we've got a bottom way. Got no top wick on the 4. So the 4 could easily flip and break the highs. Because I'm looking at the sells. If the 4 closes bearish, I'm in for sells. In for sells straight away. You're coming back up to break even here. It's like it's building up. You're gonna get one candle what just pops through the roof. Come on. Yeah, these are stops here. See, if I could get another entry on, all these signs of getting out, we'd only need a pullback to there. Do we, guys? I can't get another entry on. These 15-minute ranges. This is our last line of defense, this 15 here, but this is not even the best to the downside. I mean, you can close respect it and still power through. Look at that 15. Next 15 just drove through. It's not even the best. It's only this level. We could actually pop to this, which is like our stops. And then reject. We need a bullish close here. That's what we're after on the 15. We had a 5 bullish close. Not convincing though. Not very convincing. But we did close bullish. Yep. I'm going to see what this 15-minute does, guys, and then I'm probably going to leave it. I will have my wingback sell set up at 4721 with a sell stop of, a stops would be 4730. But here's the thing, if we come and tap this level, it won't be valid. So if we tap this level, this won't be valid. We've also got another wingback area here. If we do pop down, here we go. Time frames 50. So I am thinking about adjusting my stops. I don't like to do it, but I really want another entry on here though. This is what's annoying me. I need another entry. We have got wingback buy area 4706, right? I don't think I can get it on with this account. I'll put it on my other accounts, but I don't actually think I can get it on. Which is really annoying. Come on, the 15, print bullish for us. No messing about. Yeah, so I'm going to have another entry on at 4706, guys, right? My take partial move to break even is 4717. See, I'm looking at selling. So this is what's tricky. If we come and tap this level, this wing back is not valid. And I can actually extend my full TP. Okay, and I can extend my full TP is if the 4 is going to flip. So where's the 4 going to go next? Well, the next range on the 4. Actually, yeah, you've probably got a little rejection area here, but your next range on the 4, you're probably looking at breaking the high 4740 if we're going to flip. So that would be my full TP if we come and tap this level. If we don't tap this level, we flip to the upside shortly, then I'm looking at selling from here. And that's where I'd probably close full on this trade. But yeah, I'm going to have a second entry on it. This might take a bit longer now, guys, because if it was going to happen, it should have been happening earlier on. So I'm probably going to leave this with it. See what I mean, this is a nice 15 close. We are still respecting this level, but it's just a minor support level. Bullish close. Back up. Oh, this one could play out actually. We could start coming back up now. So this is the only area where we've had a bullish close here. We didn't even close bullish, we closed bearish. Pain in the ass. It's a lovely 50. This is a lovely for a break, for a wing back buy. Come on, little further. Little further. What is it? Come on. Right, I'm going to leave this with you guys. We're fucking about. We're messing about. So my stops are here, 4702. I'm still not too bad of a risk. I will take another entry if we tap this to then come up. If we tap this before tapping this, then this is not valid. Okay, so that's what I've got. So I'm going to love yous and leave yous. I will be back on tomorrow, 8 AM for London session, and then we'll see how this plays out. So catch you later, guys. Toodaloo.